Very good. Cleanup time. Changing the seals and everything. Purple power does wonders, huh?
I guess, man. Better than brake cleaner.
She's coming along, she's coming along. So guys, I just installed the oil pump chain on this. And unfortunately, actually I found out that there's a oil pan gasket that you can buy for this M30 BMW engine, but top and it's gonna be good. In the meantime, let's go check out the car. She's doing right here. The mounts. Everything is cleaned up nicely, so she's waiting. She's waiting to go back. Look at this thing.
A few moments later.
No. Hey, is the lens good, Chukcha? Look at it. Lens.
Dirty now.
Fuck you. Where did you want it moved? Like how far?
So,
This, the crank.
the first piston is holding all that water,
Oh, so that go down all the way on it, huh?
I think.
Oh, maybe right now. Nah, bro, I don't think it. I think it's gonna, you gotta tip it over. Or maybe not, maybe you're right. Started to leak a little bit. Yes. Yes, 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 yeah. Oh, I'm trying to finish this engine, put it back together today, man. Oh yeah. Bombolelo, bombolelo. Da 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 da. Yes, RTV. What TV you watching? Oh, RTV. Yeah.
Was this one of this? What?
Nah. Oh, a little more.
It just holds this.
RTV.
On this? Yeah. Really? That's where it was? Oh.
Yeah. Okay, you come over here.
We need to flip this bitch?
Yes, the beach.
Beach.
Miami Beach. Oh, yeah, yeah, look at this. Over here. windshield, but still you gotta. In transmission. Travel along.
Yeah, like upside down.
Yeah.
Right side up.
Fuck.
How am I going to lose this?
You got it, or you want to
Do
come
it
on
this
this
way?
side? Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hold on. Lay it. Who the fucking flashlight? Oh yeah. Look at that. She's draining.
Use my flashlight now.
Bumbalelo, bumbalelo. Inside.
Are you new or what?
Are you new? I'm just a person. Ram bam 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 bam. Have to put pressure on it. Just don't turn it, okay? Because I'm gonna need to tighten this guy. No, careful, don't turn it.
Catch my fingers.
See? Okay, now try turn.
Hold on.
See?
Wait.
Okay. I suppose.
That one was there. And like the next day he came down, I'm gonna ping. So everything is here.
I'm sorry. That's awesome.
I was really trying to tiptoe around and shit.
Yeah, it's a lot of stuff over here.
I can't talk, I did it myself. Okay, this should be all the bolts. Because there's a couple of extras. I think that's a motor mount lower.
I used those bolts for lifting the OM617 out, you know, and it did the job.
It did, and I was worried because
Yeah.
I looked at them little chains and that one had been cut.
Interesting.
But the I think that's motor mount.
Yeah, the
should
lower
be
one.
ones, yeah.
Okay, top one.
The one on the top goes when the engine goes.
Yeah.
He's on the bottom.
Okay, let me see. Let me get one of them. I'll get the socket. Alright guys, so here's our new block that we got from Michigan. Already installed a new oil pump chain and everything, transferred everything over, a new water pump, new tensioner, and cleaned this all up. I actually removed the rear main seal and I replaced it with this new one, a BMW original. Alright. And then now gotta remove this pilot bearing out, and this surface is all smooth and cleaned. There's a gasket for it we're gonna be putting on. So I put new gasket on and I added some RTV to it, just a little bit. And, she's good to go. I got bolted up the rear main seal. Now I just gotta remove this pilot bearing out of there and install a new one in, and we can put our clutch assembly in. This is gonna be getting cleaned up, guys.
Going to look spotless. All of this is gonna be gone.
brand new head gasket for the oil filter housing.
Brand new head gasket.
This is all getting fixed up by Chukcha.
Provolone.
Yeah. So now this goes here, and then we have this guy, which is all cleaned up, oil filter housing. And inside I already installed a brand new oil filter and O-rings. So this is gonna go like
Team
so.
no leak.